Hi everyone, this is Aruna Arichami, Assistant Professor, Department of Information Technology, SNS College of Technology. In my lecture series today, we're going to see about the case studies under the MongoDB, how MongoDB can be used in the telecommunication network. Mostly we are going to consider the MTV network, how it could be overcome. So there is a problem in MTV network. So your MTV network properties can have this type of a thing. One thing is it can be built only for the commercial application. So that can have the Java-based content management system that can be forced to rich documents and illustrate a certain data model. So the team next migrated to the relational model. So as the relational model, all my data can be stored in a table format. So they have for the backend of data storage, they are moving to the relational model, and also that they are using the web properties application can be used, and also they have defined a certain schema for each and every application, and that can be used. After using the thing, they are much struggle with the architecture because there is a limited evolution and success in their system. So they are need the another database solution is required, because that will be we have to grow, scale and represent the data in a flexibility manner. For that we need the different database, because if I want to store any additional content brand on that particular platform and all, it is very difficult while using the SQL. So for that only they need that different database. So while discussing like this, they have to do certain survey on that. So due to that, they think that they can own and operate the high traffic web properties. So because it will have a spike, it will have a game trailer, and also it will have a daily show, Comedy Central and Nick, everything. They are having a more number of the thing under the MTV network. So through that, that can be operated in a single database module. For that, they have chosen the MongoDB. Why they have to choose the MongoDB means it will have a independently, it will have a variety of languages, frameworks and the data models. And also MongoDB, we doesn't have any schema. We doesn't need to create any schema because it is a schema less. Data can be stored in the Java based content because it is a JSON. So all the data, all the thing can be stored it in the object matter. Whenever we need, we can able to retrieve and sort the data based on the object ID. And also it will have a flexible schema, so that only their content management CMS can choose on the MongoDB as a better solution for this type of a network. And also it is a documented oriented, not only SQL, and also it will be used for the high volume of data storage. For that particular purpose only they are using this thing. Why TV can choose on this thing means it has a grid FS. It will support replication and sharding feature. And also it is a schema oriented, sorry, document oriented, and also it is a schema less or schema free database. It will have a indexing and aggregation, and their performance is very higher. And also we can able to work with the ad hoc queries. So these are the major components over here. Based on the ID only we can able to identify our data. Here we can have a database can have the collection of database can contain the different types of collection can have the different types of documents. So major thing is why they are going for here is it is more flexible model. So only they are choosing this thing. So flexibility, it means of the major advantages, it is a higher speed, and also setup is very simple. There is no compatibility issue, and it is more flexible. Response is very faster, and also we can have the automatic sharding and the replication based on the data storage. And also query is ad hoc, and also professionally technical support to the all the APIs. So because our MTV will have a various episodes and series and all, they have to store the large amount of a data. So for that purpose only they have chosen the MongoDB for a more flexible schema. So only they consider this type of a model, structure and data elements required for their own brand. And also here querying and indexing is very much similar and easier, and combination of these two features is unavailable in the another thing, that is RDBMS and all this type of features are not available, but here it will have. So only they are using this type of a thing. And also operation is very much easier because it is the operating for relational technology, and it can be mapped to all type of an APIs. All the thing can be stored in some other thing. The clustering is very difficult. So here automatic shared disk storage is possible. So cluster, we can able to cluster all the members can be together. So that only we have say it is a easy of operations. And also MongoDB document data model can be enabled in a MTB content management team for building a better solution that can meet each of the web properties, and also they can able to simplify the day-to-day operations. For that only they have chosen the MongoDB. And also in their development team they can build a certain features for end user instead of backend storage. So these are the possibility can be obtained only with the help of a MongoDB. So only in telecommunication network for storing the backend data, the better solution is the MongoDB. Thank you for watching my video.